In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert TikTok PayLater to GCash. To set expectations right away, let's open the TikTok app together and look at what's actually possible. When you go into your PayLater section, you'll notice there isn't any option to transfer funds out. That's because, unfortunately, you cannot convert TikTok PayLater to GCash. I'll explain why, how PayLater is designed to work, and what to watch for so you stay safe. Think of TikTok PayLater as a credit line, not a cash wallet. It lets you buy eligible items on TikTok Shop now and pay for them later, usually with a scheduled repayment. Because it's credit tied to purchases at checkout, it doesn't become a balance you can withdraw, send, or cash in anywhere else. GCash, on the other hand, is a separate e-wallet. It can receive money from bank transfers, cash-ins, or refunds, but not from PayLater credit that was never issued as cash in the first place. That's why you won't see a convert, withdraw, or send to GCash button in PayLater. The system simply isn't built to move that credit outside of TikTok Shop. From a policy and risk standpoint, allowing credit to cash conversion would be the same as turning a shopping limit into a cash advance, which TikTok PayLater is not designed to provide. Now, an important warning. If you come across services or videos promising instant conversion of PayLater to GCash, be very careful. Many of these are unofficial and can lead to scams or account issues. Common red flags include requests to send a processing fee, share one-time passwords or verification codes, or hand over control of your account. Legitimate platforms will never ask you to pay first to unlock a feature that doesn't exist, and granting access to your account can result in unauthorized purchases or suspension. Here's how to use PayLater safely and effectively instead. Use it only for eligible purchases on TikTok Shop, exactly as intended. At checkout, choose PayLater when it's offered and make sure you review the repayment schedule, fees, and due dates. Set reminders so you never miss a payment, and monitor your statements inside the app to keep your account in good standing. If what you actually need is money in GCash, use GCash's official cash-in channels and payment partners. For clarity on your specific PayLater terms or any changes to features, check the in-app Help Center or contact official support directly. So to recap, there's no legitimate way to convert TikTok PayLater into GCash. Keep your account secure, use PayLater only at checkout on TikTok Shop, and rely on official GCash methods for any wallet cash-ins.